Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, then you click here on notification settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You come here to remind me to resell my NCAA football season tickets in time. Here can you disable it for email, and here for app. That like you see now, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.